Welcome to this week's video. I am really excited because this week I wanted to show you my grocery store haul at the Indian store, and this is like the healthyish version. I wouldn't go in there and pick up just anything, but I do shop for my spices, whole spices, and my pulses and lentils and such. And recently I found a really great source of nuts as well. So let's get into it. Let me show you what I got at the Indian store. All right, so first up is this tamarind seed. I usually like to make my tamarind chutney or imli ki chutney, which I put on my chaats and different, it's like a condiment that we have in South Asian cuisine. So this is what I usually like to, and this is straight from Thailand, so pretty decent. It's just tamarind seeds and that's it. So that's first up. And then I found for like $4.99 these Majdool dates, Bard Valley Majdool dates. Usually dates are pretty expensive, but these seem pretty decent. Got this from there. And then I found something that was really, it's a really great snack. Sour plums or aloo bukhara. Just put some red chili powder, salt and lemon on top, and this can be a really great snack. So we love our snacks, healthier snacks. So this is a great one. And then I wanted to show you something. So your Indian store may, at the time of this video, may be having some Diwali sale. I filmed this in October. So when I went to the store, these are raw cashews, and you know how much I love my raw cashews. I don't buy roasted nuts. I like to keep them raw so that there are no inflammatory oils and any other additives. Found this whole big bag, about, I want to say, how big is this? 28-ounce bag for just $6.99, as was this huge bag of walnuts, just plain raw walnut halves. So this was a great buy. Another thing I love picking up at the Indian store is fennel seeds. Roast them at home. Don't get the roasted versions because they usually have some sort of additives in there. This is just plain fennel seeds, and I like to, this is so great for digestion. You can make a tea out of it if you're having any problems with your digestion. Instead of getting those pre-mixed suparis and saunfs, I prefer to get my own and make my own. All right, next up, of course, are the dals and pulses. I love getting tur dal. It's so easy to just put on the stove and let it cook. I think it's one of the quicker dals, as is masoor dal. So I got these two. I was really happy about that. And I usually get dals and pulses and lentils from the Indian store to begin with. Oh, and another thing, the sunflower seeds. I love making date balls and adding sunflower seeds. You can put this on top of your salads, on top of your oatmeal, chia pudding. Great source of fats and protein, the sunflower seeds. Another thing, usually you don't find unsweetened coconut flakes. So I was really happy to find this. Again, I put this in my sweet stuff on top of chia pudding. Just adding it on top of different breakfast cereals and oatmeal. Even just putting this in my date balls and coating date balls with this. Okay, and then I get my cumin and coriander seeds. Whole seeds are pretty good. Just grind them yourself at home. If you did my healthy cooking challenge, you know that I like to bring whole spices, and just don't get the pre-boxed versions if you can help it. I have transitioned to getting my own, roasting them and then grinding them at home in small batches. All right, so another thing I was really happy to find was this organic Moringa powder. Now Moringa, I haven't really tried this, but I've been seeing it on social media and I've been wanting to try it. This is from the Moringa tree, and it's antioxidant rich, which means that it helps with the free radicals that cause oxidative stress in our body and age us, what are responsible for chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. And studies show that it may lower blood sugar, so great for diabetes. It's anti-inflammatory, and you know how much I love talking about inflammation and how to reduce it. So this is a great supplement for that. Also lowers cholesterol levels. So I'm going to be trying this. You can sprinkle this on top of your dal. You can add it to your smoothie, and stay tuned. I'm going to be sharing more about this after I use it and share my my results. Another thing I found at the store was this black salt. I've talked about in previous videos the benefits of pink salt and how I like to use it in place of table salt. So this is basically pink salt that's been put through high heat, and then some Indian spices added to the mix. So that's it. That is the extent of my haul, Indian grocery store haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and you'll check out your Indian store for some of these great deals. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more such grocery hauls and what other videos you'd like to watch, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.